Hey, welcome back to Five Lakes Garage. Today we're actually getting ready to go out on the trails. But first, gotta do an upgrade. All right, this is my 2019 Toyota Tacoma. You've probably seen it before in all the other videos, but today, this can go for any vehicle. So what we have here is a onboard air, and I have a small little tank. I have two little pumps and all that stuff. You can check out all the other videos. I'll put a link down below, or just hit the playlist, whichever. I might forget. I don't know. Anyway, so what we're actually gonna do today is actually do an upgrade. So when you go out on the trails, first thing you're gonna do is deflate your tires. So you kind of want to have traction, you want to have smoothness of ride, you want to be jattling your jaws all to pieces when you're actually out on the trail. So what happens when you get done? You got to blow them up, right? Hey, got me a box. Anyway, all this really is some hoses that you connect up all four tires at the same time. Now, the only thing though is that it has one Schrader valve. You can just stick it on there and basically pump it up. We're going to take one step further. I got a leftover regulator. Yeah, we're gonna put this in line. We're gonna hook this up. We're gonna walk away and have all four pump up at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, show you how it works. It's gonna be quick and easy. All right, got my little regulator set about 35-ish PSI. Go ahead and close it down. Got my one link going this way, one link going that way. Now I went ahead and deflated these guys, so we're like at 15 PSI, not much. So, see where this one's at. This one might be even more. Yeah, it's about 20. So they're all up and down all the way around. Let's plug in the system, make sure she works. Yeah. All right, there's two things, the reason why I really kind of like this system. One, I can pump all four tires up at the same time. I'm not going to one, going to the next, going to the next. The other thing, I can hook it up, walk away, and everything is regulated. It'll go up to about 35 pounds, whatever I set the regulator at, and then the tank itself will actually fill all the way to 150 PSI. I would have to say the system itself was not very expensive. I do not remember how much it was, but it was not a lot. There's a reason for it. I do believe, I'm not going to mention the region of the world that this thing is made from, but hey, this thing leaks badly. Tried to reseal it, all that stuff, still leaked. Took it out of the system. I just had some stuff laying around in the shop. But anyway, we're gonna sit here and go all the way around and fill up the tanks, and fill up the tires. Hey, thanks for watching the show. Hey, if you need some outdoor speakers, indoor speakers, whichever, go ahead over to Hyundai and go ahead and get you 10% off. But if you need some LED lights for your trucks, your tractors, whatever, go over to Exito and get you 15% off. All the promo codes are down and below. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. And we'll catch you later. Enjoy the show. I gotta clean up. Welcome to the land of dog barking all the time. Got one down the road, got one in the back all the time. Anyway, so we are at 35 PSI. I'll take my gauge. Let's find out. It's about 34. So now I can adjust my regulator up just a hair, because if one's that way, all of them are that way. Also, another thing I like about this system, if you want to make sure that all four tires are at the same PSI when you go off-road, so you're going to deflate them, unplug it. There you go. So now all four of them are deflating at the same time. And whatever I stop it at, that's where it's going to end. The only problem is that is way too slow. There we go. All right, let me adjust my regulator and get this guy going again. All right, sliding right into a small little problem. Both my pumps started overheating. So I was using them too much, going up and down so many times. But let's take a look at it. It should be right around 35 pounds. If I set my regulator right, and if that's right, then it's going to sit there. Let's go. Right around 35. So it's about 35 and a half, which I'll be okay with. So anyway, now since we're all equalized, we're going to take each one of them off. Make sure you put your dust cap back on. Now the awesome thing is you check one, they're all the same. Yeah. hey, that was a quick and simple product that, no, they're not a sponsor. I went ahead and bought it because I wanted to make life a little bit easier. Now all 4 tires are set at about 35 pounds. Now I'm all set to go. And the good thing is that it packages up to a small little box. You can stick this behind the seat, stick it under the seat, whichever. That's the awesome thing. Before, I had to carry this entire cable, or a hose rather, all the connections, everything, and it was getting kind of bulky, and also trying to wrangle that big thing. But I will actually bring a little scrunchy hose to run air tools or whichever, because it is a tank, might as well use it. And I guess worst case scenario, you can tie in your tires to your tank so you can have even more PSI to run your, I don't know, just thinking. Anyway, take it easy. Go ahead and click on the links below to get your discounts at Oxido and also Heraldo. And go ahead and get some speakers, some LED lights, or whichever. But until next time, take it easy, have fun, get out there and go, because I got to finish packing because I'm late again.